A wonderful little object was discovered back in 1973 along the banks of the Mureș River, just outside of the town of Aiud in Romania. Known as the Object of Aiud, a team of workers digging a trench found it under a 10-meter thick layer of sand alongside two mastodon bones. The workers called out a specialist, who then sent the three objects to the Archaeological Museum in Cluj-Napoca, after deciding that the sand-encrusted wedge must have been a tool used to hunt mastodon. After heavy cleaning, a thick layer of aluminum oxide was found to be covering the object, causing specialists to determine that its youngest possible age could be no less than 300 to 400 years old. However, this realization immediately became problematic due to the fact that aluminum wasn't readily obtainable until the end of the 19th century. Even in the mid-1880s, it was more valuable than gold, which forced the question of why anyone would use 5 pounds of the stuff to make this basic wedge. Dr. Niederkorn oversaw the initial analysis and emphasized that the object is composed of an extremely complex alloy of metals. This complex alloy added further confusion to the discovery, for it matched no aluminum alloy ever known to have been produced. Duralumin, an alloy introduced in 1909, would appear to be the nearest match, yet it contains a different percentage of copper and aluminum, while having no zinc, lead, bismuth, zirconium, gallium, cadmium, tin, cobalt or nickel. It also requires a content of manganese and magnesium, both absent in the Aiud wedge. The bones the artifact was discovered with suggest an age of at least 10,000 years. However, the thickness of the aluminum oxide layer is also what would be expected if the object laid buried for over 1 million years.